What up, guys? We back. All right, guys, y'all ready? We about to do the breakdown of that jazz square. If y'all remember that jazz square, y'all already know 4 count. We're gonna start with the right over the left, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. See how it's 4 moves? You go to the right over the left or the left over the right, depending on which way you're going. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me turn around with it so you can see it better. I'm starting with the right first. All right. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I'm crossing the right over? You don't have to go far. Make it small, make it sweet. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then after a while you with that with it. Hey, with the right and we with it. All right. So let's do it with the left because everybody is left. So let's do it with the left. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we need to see it up close. So you can do it right with me. Pull the TV screen up high. So let's go. All right. I'm gonna slow it down for you so y'all can get it. Okay. We're looking this way. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna do on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the breakdown of the jazz square. Run it back, run it slow. That's what move, a common move in a lot of the line dances. So get ready. We got more to come. Keep watching. Subscribe to our page, please, because we got all these steps for you. We doing all this hard work out in this beautiful, beautiful weather for y'all. Get ready, learn them, and let's go.